Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we'll be working on a Dodge Journey, which is the same as Fiat Freemont, guys. One vehicle under two different names. What we'll be showing you today, guys, how to clean camshaft facers. Okay, and we're going to demonstrate how to clean them without removing them, guys. Okay, it's possible to remove and clean them as well, but not as good, and we'll show you why. We'll be using that computer. All the parts and tools that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. Now let me open the hood here and show you guys what we're talking about. Now, this engine, guys, okay, it has four camshaft facers. 2 exhaust, okay, 2 intakes. So this is one of them, this is another one. Okay, exhaust, intake, exhaust here, intake over there. So we'll show you guys, okay, how to clean them now, and we'll be using that computer. Now we'll go inside the vehicle. Okay, super simple procedure, guys, and again we'll have more than 200 videos on Dodge Journey. Please, guys, subscribe. We'll turn the ignition on. We have the OBD scanner already connected, so when you turn the ignition on, do not press the brake pedal, okay, and the car not running. That scanner, guys, you can do so many cars, okay, not just Dodge. Check it out, that's quite a bit here. We'll go under, okay, excuse me, under VIN number here, VIN detection, auto detect, and it's going to decode it and tells us pretty much which vehicle we have. So okay, we can select it like that, and we need to confirm that this is a 2012 Dodge Journey. After that, guys, we're going to select diagnosis here. We'll select control unit, okay, and next powertrain, engine control module, and here, guys, we're going to select special functions, special function, and check out what we have now. We have 4 facers, so we have 4 options: exhaust facer 1 cleaning, exhaust facer 2 cleaning, exhaust facer intake facer 1 cleaning, I accidentally clicked, and intake facer 2. So how you clean those, guys? Okay, click on one of them. Now it's going to tell you the function should be used to help clean dirt, debris from the oil control valve. Click OK. Now it says engine must be running, so we'll start the engine. And it will be better, guys, if you have the car warmed up, because the oil will be thinner, so it will go through the valves, okay, a little bit better. Check out the RPMs now. Okay, they go up and down, up and down. Okay, that's because it's cleaning that facer. That's the one that gave us the code earlier. Cleaning completed. I'm going to run this thing one more time on the same one, twice. And now, check it out. Nice, smooth running. Okay, no RPMs fluctuations at all. And I think, guys, these took care of it. Now, what we can do, actually, we can go to the other ones, okay, and do all of them the same way, but not to waste your time. That's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.